Hello, class 5th. Attention here. We are learning lesson number 12, ups and downs of value education, winning and losing. The life skills we are learning here. Road ahead in your life. There will be times when you succeed and other times when you do not do so well. How do you react in your wins and losses? Try hard at whatever you do. But remember that everyone cannot win. Be a good sport and accept your win and losses graciously. In talking about his invention of the light bulb, Thomas Alva Edison, the famous scientist, had said, "I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that do not work to make a light bulb." Life is competitive and winning and losing are part of life. In a race or class test, some of your friends may perform better than you. This may not seem fair to you, but you should accept the fact that all who participate cannot be winners. This means that there are winners and losers and lots of people in between. You can be a good winner or a graceful loser, whether you are competing against others or against yourself. Be a good winner. When you win, do not show off. No one likes people who put others down to make themselves look good. No one likes someone who takes all the credit for the efforts of a team. To be a good winner, you should be modest. You should say thank you to compliments. Humbly accept the efforts of those who helped you. Keep trying to improve your skills. Aim for the next step up in whatever you are doing. Then be an even better loser. Be an even better loser. It is disappointing to lose. It is disappointing to lose, especially if it was a close run result, but you win some. You lose some. When you lose, remember the following. Accept defeat graciously. Congratulate your opponent or other team members. Do not give any negative comments. Do not give excuses to justify the defeat. Be a good sport and give yourself the challenge to perform well the next time. How to be a great team player? There are many occasions when you have to perform as a team player, either while playing a sport, preparing for a school event, project, etc. Remember the following. Learn the rules of the game or the skills required for the project. Treat other players, members of the team with respect. Treat umpires, coaches or team leaders with respect. Don't argue on their decisions. Don't try to be the star even if you are most skillful, you are part of a team. Be polite and don't put other team members down. Don't make excuses if you make a bad move, accept your mistakes. Encourage your teammates with positive comments. Blaming them is not going to help. Always thank the opposition and officials after the game, whether you have won or lost. Then reflections of this Lesson: winning and losing are part of the game. Accept both situations gracefully. Take your wins as an encouragement and losses as a challenge to perform even better in the future. So, this is the lesson. We have been learned here so many things for our nice attitude. We have required that things in life. Sometimes we are up and sometimes we are down. And so many competitive people with us. We have to face them and we have to be a good winner and we have to be a good loser. If we will win, we have to follow some rules. We should be modest, we should say thanks and we should to compliment. Humbly accept the efforts of those who help you. We have to humbly accept that who have been help us. Keep trying to improve our skills. We have to improve our skills. Then aim for the next step up in whatever you are doing. We have to keep aim for the next step and whatever we are doing. Then be an even better loser. How we will do this? We will do this. See how we will be good loser. We have to accept defeat graciously, congratulate our opponent or other team members. We have to congratulate them. Then we don't have to give them negative comments. We don't have to give any excuses to justify the defeat, and we have to be a good sport and give ourselves the challenges to perform well the next time. Then how to be a great team player? There are many occasions when we have to perform a team player either while playing a sport, preparing for a school event, project, etc. We have to remember the following rules. We have to learn the rules of the game or the skills required for the project. Then we have to treat other players, members of the team with respect. Then we have to treat umpires, coaches or team leaders with respect. We don't have to argue on their decisions. We don't have to try to be the star even if you are most skillful. You are part of a team. We have to be polite and we don't have to put other team members down. We don't have to make excuses if you make bad move, accept our mistakes. We have to encourage our teammates with positive comments. Blaming them is not going to help. We don't have to blame them. Always we have to thank the opposition and officials after the game whether we have won or lost. So these are some rules we have to follow. That means winning and losing are part of the game. We have to accept that as the game, when we are getting lost, we don't argue about that. No, sometimes we feel that, but full life we are not argue about that. No, so we have to accept that if we lose something. Winning and losing are part of the game. Accept both situations gracefully. Take your wins as an encouragement and losses as a challenge to perform even better in the future. Losses teach us what we have to do, what we don't have, which skill we don't have. Losses teach us our weaknesses and losses show our weaknesses. Then losses show our capacities. So we have to improve that things if we will get lost. So we have to think over it, and there are some hard words you can see. Graciously, graciously, kindly and in a courteous manner. Competitive nature of competing or striving to win something more one's abilities, opponent, the opposite term or individual in a competition, event, etc. Justify, prove to be right. Then fill in the blanks. Life is competitive and winning and losing are part of life. The word is competitive. When you win, you should not show off. You have to fill the word show off. You should always try to improve. On losing, you should accept defeat.